and welcome to Passive Income. So we just finished our first quarter of 2021. Most banks and companies submitted their quarter revenue reports. It is the best time to restructure our portfolio. I got a list of companies in this video that are paying more than 4% dividends. Remember, this is just suggestions, not financial advice. And I mainly concentrate on a company on basis of dividend yield. So they may or may not have a future growth-oriented. AQN. Algonquin Power and Utilities Corporation 4.4%. Ex-dividend date June 29th. Great West Leaf Co. 4.8%. Ex-dividend date June 1st. BCE. Bell Telecommunication 5.8%. Ex-dividend date June 14th. Intact Financial Corporation Preferred Share F Series 5%. Ex-dividend date June 14th. Topaz Energy Corporation 5%. Ex-dividend date June 14th. McCann Mortgage Corporation 7.7%. Ex-dividend date June 14th. Canadian Natural Resources Limited 4.2%. Ex-dividend date June 17th. CBC 4%. Ex-dividend date June 25th. Power Corporation of Canada 4.5%. Ex-dividend date June 29th. KP Tissue 7%. Ex-dividend date June 29th. Melka Real Estate Investment 5.9%. Ex-dividend date June 29th. Input Capital Corporation 4.5%. Ex-dividend date June 29th. In the list, I didn't mention famous stock like Telus, Enbridge, or Fortis. Is just because everyone knows it very well. I want to show you the unsung hero stocks like KP Tissue, which pays 7% dividend, and the Melka Real Estate Investment paying nearly 6% dividend. My top 3 picks for the June dividend stocks are INP, Input Capital Corporation selling at 87 cents per share, followed by Melcor Real Estate selling at $7.25, and finishing with KP Tissue selling at $10.31 at the time of recording this video. Let's check what $100 on each of the stocks will do. Input gives you 113 shares. Results $1.13 as dividend per quarter, which is 4.52 per annum. Where else Melcor gives 13 shares. Result in 45 cents per month as dividend. Totaled 5.46 per annum. And KP Tissue gives 9 shares. Result in 1.62 cents per month. That is 6.48 per annum as dividend. If you are in for the long term, say 5+ years, you will earn more on Input Capital Corporation compared with others. If the dividend is reinvested, the reason is the price of the share is as low as we can buy back the share with the dividend itself. The DRIP plays like a compound interest. By accumulating 5 to 6 stock a year will lead you in more profit. I will explain it in the next video with all the details. So stay tuned. Share this video with your friends and family. Happy investing. Bye for now.